Hello everyone. As last we see how to use arithmetic operators, and with my previous video series we also check how to use the take inputs from the users, and also we are checking how to we use the streak methods. So using the all these things we create a simple program. This is a tip calculator program. So using this program we have to show how we calculate the tip. So before I'm starting this program, so I'm for helping purpose I'm writing some comments. So based on the comments we write code line by line. Okay, so first this is a comment. So tip calculator program using Python. Okay, so first we print the program name into console. So I'm just writing print tip calculator program. Okay, right. Okay, after that we take an input from the user. So I'm just taking the variable amount. Okay, after that I'm just converting this value to float and taking input from the user, enter the bill amount. Okay, so this is a variable which hold the amount. After that we taking the input from the user for asking tip values. So I'm creating a value tip value. It's a integer value. So I'm just returning here, enter the tip value like tip value 10, 12 or 15. Okay, after that we are taking a variable for asking split the bill amount. So how many persons we have to split the bill? So like person to same is input integer type, putting an input, enter the person to split the bill. Okay, so it's holding the person details. After that we have calculate the amount after the tip added. So I'm creating tip amount equals to, so the value is amounts multiplication of the tip value division by 100, and after that the value we have to plus the total amount. So the total amount is this. So this is the total amount is be calculated. After that we split the bill, split bill amount equals to tip amount division by person, how many person is be divided. Okay, after that we print result here. So total split bill amount, split bill amount. Okay, and also we print total amount. This is a total bill amount after split bill amounts. Okay, so I'm running this file. So here he is asking for the amount. I'm just putting here 124. It's be asking for the tip value. I'm just filling the value here 10 and enter the person to split the bill. Suppose there is a two persons, so the total amount is 136.4 and the after splitting the value is 168.2. So let me check if the value is the correct or not. Calci. I'm opening the Calci. So the bill amount is the 24 into the value, that's mean the tip value in the percentage. 10 divided by 100 plus the total amount 24. So there is a value that is a 136.4. That is the correct value after the tip added, and after we split the values into 2, so the result is 68.2. So the output is the correct. So now the tip calculator program is be completed. Hope you like my video. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel and hit the like button. Thank you.